The small intestine. From the stomach, the slushy food enters the small intestine, which is a long coiled tube. If you open out the coil, the small intestine will stretch longer than the length of the cricket pitch. But this length depends upon the height of the person and other things. The last bit of digestion takes place in the small intestine. A small tube brings the juices made by the liver into the small intestine. Some juices are made by the small intestine. All of these mixes with the food and finally changes it into a form that the body can use. The useful part of the food oozes into the wall of the small intestine. In other words, the wall of the small intestine absorbs the useful liquid from the digested food. Blood then carries it to the rest of the body. In the activity, it is shown. Large intestine. Now what happens? The slushy waste that remains in the small intestine, it passes into the large intestine. The large intestine is shorter but thicker than the small intestine. It absorbs the water from the waste that passes into it. What remains is what we call feces. It is stored for a while in the last part of the large intestine called the rectum. This is called the rectum. It is stored for a while here. From the rectum, the feces passes out of the body to the opening called the anus. This is called the anus. From here, the waste passes out of the body. With this, we come to the end of the chapter. I hope all of you have understood the chapter. Thank you.